Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm TechnoCradt, and I'm super excited to have you here. On this channel, you can expect reviews of the newest smartphones, laptops, and tech devices, also tech news updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's dive in. Looking for a smartphone that can survive extreme conditions, last for days on a single charge, and even double as a projector? Meet the 8849 Tank 3 Pro, a beast of a device built for adventurers, outdoor enthusiasts, and professionals who need more than just a regular phone. Curious? Please watch until the end. The Tank 3 Pro is a rugged, ultra-durable phone with an IP68 rating, built to withstand water, dust, and extreme drops. Weighing 696 grams and 30 millimeters thick, it's hefty but designed for tough environments like construction sites and outdoor adventures. With a 6.79-inch LCD, Full HD plus resolution, 1080 by 2460 pixels, and a 120 Hz refresh rate, the Tank 3 Pro offers a smooth and responsive viewing experience. However, the brightness could be better, especially in direct sunlight. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM expandable to 18 gigabytes, and a massive 512 gigabytes of storage, the Tank 3 Pro delivers powerful performance for gaming, multitasking, and demanding apps. No more battery worries. With an insane 23,800 mAh battery and 120-watt fast charging, this phone can last up to 56 hours of intense usage. It even doubles as a power bank with 10-watt reverse charging, so you can charge other devices on the go. The Tank 3 Pro isn't just rugged. It boasts a powerful camera system, including a 200-megapixel main sensor, 64-megapixel night vision, 50-megapixel wide-angle, 8-megapixel telephoto, and a 50-megapixel front camera. Whether it's detailed shots, low-light photography, wide landscapes, zoomed-in precision, or crisp selfies, this phone delivers exceptional versatility. One of its coolest features is the built-in DLP projector, capable of displaying up to 150 inches with 100 lumens of brightness. While it won't replace a professional projector, it's perfect for on-the-go entertainment, quick presentations, or camping movie nights. This phone goes beyond the basics with camping light, adjustable brightness and emergency flash modes, navigation powerhouse, with dual-band GPS for ultra-precise positioning, outdoor toolkit, packed with handy tools for survival and work. The Tank 3 Pro is now available for purchase through Amazon, the 8849 official website, and Unihertz with a starting price of $599.99 or £470. If you need a rugged, long-lasting smartphone packed with features like a powerful camera system, insane battery life, and even a built-in projector, the Tank 3 Pro is a no-brainer. But its bulkiness makes it less pocket-friendly. So, would you buy the Tank 3 Pro? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my latest videos. See you in the next one. Bye.